Hey there, eco-warriors. Today, we're talking about simple changes you can make for a more eco-friendly and sustainable lifestyle. Let's dive right in. 1. Ditch single-use plastics. Tired of all that plastic waste? Say goodbye to plastic bags, bottles, and cutlery. Instead, opt for reusable alternatives like cloth shopping bags, stainless steel water bottles, and bamboo utensils. The planet will thank you. 2. Go paperless. Have you ever wondered how much paper you could save by going digital? Switch to digital bills and statements and use apps for note-taking and organization. Save trees and reduce paper waste. 3. Use energy-efficient appliances. Are you looking for ways to save on your energy bill? Upgrade to Energy Star certified appliances, which can also reduce your carbon footprint. It's a win-win situation. 4. Choose eco-friendly cleaning products. Did you know that many conventional cleaning products contain harmful chemicals? Look for plant-based, biodegradable options that are better for the environment and your health. 5. Plant a garden. Who doesn't love fresh and organic produced food? Growing your own fruits and vegetables can reduce your carbon footprint and give you a delicious, healthy harvest. Even a small herb garden on your windowsill makes a difference. 6. Save water. Do you know how much water you could save with simple changes? Install low-flow shower heads and faucets and fix any leaks around your home. Be mindful of your water usage when doing dishes, laundry, or watering plants. 7. Unplug electronics. Did you know that even when turned off, electronics can still consume power? Unplug devices when not in use, or use a smart power strip to cut off standby power. 8. Use public transportation or carpool. Want to reduce emissions and air pollution? Try walking, biking, or using public transit whenever possible. Carpooling with friends or coworkers is another great option. 9. Support sustainable brands. Looking to make a difference with your purchases? Choose products from companies that prioritize ethical practices and eco-friendly initiatives. 10. Recycle and compost. Ready to take waste reduction to the next level? Make sure to recycle paper, glass, and plastic products. And consider starting a compost bin for food scraps, which can be used as fertilizer for your garden. By implementing these simple changes, you can play a part in protecting our planet for future generations. Remember, every little bit counts, and together, we can make a significant impact. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite eco-friendly tips, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's make a difference, one step at a time.